A very good morning, class.
Good
Welcome.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Am I visible and audible? Can you see my video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Just wait for a second. Yes, class. So today the strength is only 10. Okay, students are joining. Let's wait for 2 minutes more. Let them all be joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yes, Samar Oja, Akash, Anjali Thakur, Atul Kaushik, Pratyaksh Singh, Saloni, Sneha, Tejender Singh, Vansh Kapoor, Himesh Bharana, who has joined this name of Oppo A54. Please rename yourself. Yes, who has joined by the name Oppo A54? Please rename yourself. It would be easy for me to take your attendance. Please rename yourself. Student, I request everyone, when you join the class, join by your name in which you, by the name in which you have taken admission. ठीक है, जो name है आपका surname है उसी से आप class join करो, so that it would be easy for me to take your attendance and to maintain your records, right? If anyone wants to ask any question to me, we will. I will be your coordinator of BBA first semester. Okay, you can share anything what you want with me. This first period, or you may say first lecture. Yes, please. Yes, बताओ. Yes, someone has raised the hand. Please ask. Yes. Samar, do you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine. Yes, who is this 4987EB93? Please rename yourself. Number 4 is coming. Please rename yourself. Who is this? 4987EB93. Please. Yes, better rename yourself.
Ma'am, wait a second, ma'am. My name is
Yes.
Nitish Sharma.
Okay. So, beta, this is only for the record. If you will join by your name, it would be easy for you and me to manage all the tasks, right? So, how all are you feeling in joining this BBA course? Are all from commerce background or science background? How many
I'm
students?
commerce.
I'm commerce background.
Okay.
Commerce.
Okay.
Ma'am, commerce.
Okay. So just raise your hands who are from commerce background. Okay. Fine. Just lower your hands. Thank you. And remaining are from science background, I hope, right? Anyone is from humanities too? Okay. Just lower your hand. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, so this is your scheme and syllabus for BBA course, and BBA stands for, as you everybody knows, Bachelor of Business Administration. Fine. In that we have these subjects. First is BBA Journal 101, that is business organization. That will be taken by me. Okay. The subject मैं लूंगी आपका. And in it you have internal marks which of 25 and external is of 75. And second subject is business mathematics. It will be taken by Nikita ma'am. I hope you people have already been in touch with Nikita ma'am na in warm-up class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
She will continuing with your business mathematics, okay? And second is of financial accounting. And financial accounting will be taken by Miss Pinky Sharma, okay? And next is your BBA Journal 104, that is Computer Fundamentals. That will be taken by Miss Suman Chandila, and she will take your class tomorrow, okay? In your timetable, we have classes of 101 today. We have classes of 101, 102, 103, and 105, 106, okay? Computer Fundamental class will have tomorrow. And in 105 code, presentation and communication skills 1, that would be taken by Miss Ifatira, right? She will be taking your PCS. I hope you people have already been in contact with Miss Ifat also, right?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Okay. Next is BBA Journal 106 is microeconomics for business decision, that would be taken by Dr. Irfan Miller, right? Okay, so these are all your subjects of BBA first semester. Do everybody have idea about these subjects? What is in the business organization? I hope the students who are from the background have idea about this business organization. Business organization. Okay, we will discuss the syllabus also of business organization. This is the syllabus for business organization. In every subject we have 4 units, right? हर subject में आपके पास 4 units है. In unit 1 we have business concept, nature and scope, business as a system, business objectives, business and environment interface, distinction between business, commerce and trade. What do you think about business? What is business? Is business Reliance doing a business, or is Airtel doing a business? Is LG doing a business? What is business? How you will define business in your own words? Everybody has joined BBA. There would be must any motive behind this, ki why we are doing this BBA. So, what is business? What do you mean by business?
Ma'am, business is like doing something for ourselves according to our passion and our interests, which making us independent for ourselves. So we'll not work under, we'll do something for ourselves according to our passion. That's what business is.
Yes. Very true. Thank you, Anjali. And next, please, anyone other? Please. Someone is sitting in front of LCD. Please come out, LED. Or sitting in a room where TV is on. Please off the TV, either come out from the room. Please maintain the decorum of the class, please. I request. Okay. So as Anjali has told us that business is something what we want to serve the society, or we want to deliver services to the society. So right, very true. Business is like that only. Okay, business doesn't mean it is only for the Reliance or for the Airtel. A similar Kirana store in your area, in your nearby location, is also doing a business. Right. Business is somewhat like a give and take, providing product and services to the society for our benefits. Right. Business is that. Everywhere you see is a business. When you go to the NIT market, when you go to Old Faridabad, when you go to Sector 16, they all are doing business. Even the person who is sitting in the showroom selling the products of Nike and Reebok, or even the person who is maintaining a van of food items is also doing a business. So business neither means that be connected with someone known brand. It is also with serving something to the society for your own benefit. That is called business. Okay. So sharing with you more. Just wait. Class, anybody wants to change their contact number in the broadcast group, please message me. Okay, or just I will communicate with you last 10 minutes about your queries. Okay, fine. So class, this is business. Business is defined as an organized economic activity. Business is defined as an organized economic activity. What is organized activity? Organized activity means you have certain steps to do a particular task, right? And these steps are all fixed. Like you go to any pizza shop or like you go to Domino's or McDonald's. What you do over there, you just go first to the counter, see the menu, and if you finalize something from the menu, go to the counter, order it, and wait on the sitting area for the order for your chance to come. So this is known as the organized activity. So business is any organized activity. Organized means like you have selected a certain physical location where you will set up your business, right? What will be your modes of payment? You will take cash, or you will prefer to have online transactions, or you would prefer to have the Paytm transaction or RuPay transaction. So this is known as the organized activity. Means business is somewhat is an organized activity in which your rules, regulations are freezed. We will work on certain rules and regulation. We will follow these things. Economic activity means the investment is there. ठीक है, आप कुछ पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हो, इन रिटर्न यू विल गेट प्रॉफिट्स. ठीक है, आप कुछ पैसा इन्वेस्ट करके यू प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज टू द सोसाइटी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, राइट? कि जैसे आप सोप बना रहे हैं, या आप कोई भी नॉर्मल, जैसे आपके घर में फंक्शन होता है तो आपने देखा होगा एक मयूर जग आते हैं पानी के. दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. मींस जब भी आपके घर में कोई फंक्शन है, यू कॉन्टेक्ट विद द वाटर सेलर, दे विल सर्व यू दैट मयूर जग्स, एंड व्हेन द फंक्शन इज ओवर यू जस्ट पे फॉर द सर्विसेज. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. When you talk about the mobile phone service providers, Airtel, etc., anyone else, कि आप उनसे सर्विसेज लेते हो, वो आप उनसे अपने क्या नाम रिचार्ज कराते हो फोन, एंड in lieu of that you pay to them. So this is all what organized economic activity, कि how the process will go on when we will serve our product to the market, or we will serve our services to the market. That is called the organized economic activity. Economic means there is something related in the monetary terms. ठीक है, वहां पे monetary terms involve होती है, investment होता है वहां पे आपका, and in the form of investment you will have profit and losses, right? Wherein exchange of goods and services take place for adequate consideration. Exchange of goods and services means you serve goods and services to the society. Okay, goods may be any shopkeeper selling grocery items, any general store selling creams, oil, like, and services means the customer care services, or the lawyer services, doctor services, and professional services. Professional services are basically those services which are related to a particular profession. Like I am an associate professor. So what I am providing to you is my services. Okay, when you go to a barber shop, what he is providing you services. The things which cannot be seen and touched, that is called services. Fine. It is nothing but a method of making money from commercial transactions. What is business? Business is just making of money. Like we are making our money. If we are here in the world, we want for our normal livelihood, or to do anything, we need money. So for need money, we need to have certain daily routine to, or any type of business or services in which we can involve ourselves and can have profit in lieu of that. So this is called the commercial transaction. कि मतलब अगर हम है वर्ल्ड में तो हमें सर्वाइव करने के लिए कुछ चीजों की जरूरत होती है, तो वो हमारी नेसेसिटीज कैसे पूरी होंगी? Either we go for job or we start our business. So this is called a commercial transaction. Doing business is called a commercial transaction. It includes all those activities whose sole aim is to make available the desired goods and services to the society in an effective manner. What is the duty of the business? The duty of the business is to provide goods and services to the society which they needed most. Like, you know, this is the COVID era, as we all are facing the pandemic एरा. तो इस पैंडेमिक एरा में क्या हो रहा है कि हमें बहुत ज्यादा मास्क की रिक्वायरमेंट है. वी नीड मोर सैनिटाइजर्स, वी नीड मोर मास्क, वी नीड मोर किट्स. तो what the business organizations are doing, they are manufacturing more to serve to the society. This is all what called business. Right? Business is somewhat, business हमेशा जो entrepreneurs होते हैं और जो हमारे business owners होते हैं, they also keep those things in mind to which they can serve to the society. ठीक है, वो products और services को opt करना चाहते हैं जिनमें वो maximum target कर सके society का. क्योंकि अगर वो maximum target करेंगे, then they will get maximum profit and they will be well renowned in the market. It is a systematic attempt of the business persons to produce goods and services and sell them at the market to reap the reward by way of profit. What is this? It's a systematic business process, right? To produce goods and services, business is a systematic process to produce goods and services and sell them to the market. And what you get in exchange, your reward, means the cost of your products and services and the image of your company or your brand, right? Next is profit plays a pivotal role as all the business activities are directed towards it because it works as an incentive to the entrepreneurs for their efforts and thus necessary for every business, right? Profit, yeah, profit is very much necessary because when if profit is not there, then we cannot expand our business, right? अगर हमारी earning ज़्यादा नहीं होगी तो we cannot raise the standard of our living. Same as with the business, अगर हमारे business में profits नहीं होंगे तो we cannot expand our business. We will be on the same side always. So to expand our business, we need to earn more profit. Or when we will earn more profit, then our product will be served in the market. Okay, when our product will be more served in the market, then our profit will go high and we can expand our business. Right. So how many students have joined till now? Okay, there are 45 students. Fine. So let me take the intro of everyone. Okay, first Shashank Adarsh team. Please tell me about yourself, Adarsh. Just today I want to give you intro about the subject. That's over. Let me take the intro of everyone. Then I will take your attendance. Okay. Yes, Adarsh. Please unmute yourself and tell me something about yourself. Yes, Adarsh. Adarsh. Okay. Ashish Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Ashish. Tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, I'm Ashish Mishra.
Okay.
And I'm in BBA.
BBA first semester. I'm pursuing my BBA from Ashland Institute of Technology. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And next, what about your personal information? From where you did your schooling?
Ma'am, I did my schooling from Bora Public School.
Bora Public School. Okay. Thank you, Ashish. Yes, next is Shashank Pratap Singh. Yes, Shashank. Please tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Shashank Pratap.
Yes.
I passed out my in Gyanodaya Public School.
From?
Gyanodaya Public School.
Okay, fine. And what was your stream in class 12?
Then I
Yes, बोलो. Yes. आपकी स्ट्रीम क्या थी बेटा क्या क्लास 12 में? कॉमर्स और
Ma'am,
साइंस?
commerce.
कॉमर्स. Okay.
Commerce, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What is your hobby, Shashank?
Ma'am, like study.
Okay. And? Okay. Thank you, Shashank. Yes, Aditya Sharma. Aditya, please tell me about yourself. Okay. Aniket.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Aniket, tell me.
My name is
Okay.
Aniket Verma, and I am from Badlangarh,
Okay.
and I have done my school from Greenfield Public School,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I'm pursuing my BBA from Amsterdam Institute of Technology.
Okay. Yes, Aniket, do you have any hobby? What do you like most to
Yeah,
do? What do you like most to do in your spare time or free time?
And my hobbies are doing something creative, like new experiments and designing something.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Next is Neha.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sneha,
Good morning. Yes.
and I am from BBA. I have completed my study from Vidya Mandir Public School, Sector 15A,
Okay.
and I am pursuing my graduation from Economics Institute of Technology.
Okay. Yes, Neha. What is your hobby?
Ma'am, my hobby is dancing and reading.
Dancing and reading. Okay. Thank you. Next is Aniket. Okay. Anjali Thakur. Yes, Anjali.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, this is Anjali Thakur, and I have pursued my +2 from SKV Mollaban, Delhi, and I was from Humanities. And right now, I'm pursuing my graduation in BBA from Ashlon Institute of Technology, YMC, Faridabad. And when I talk about my hobbies, I love to games and writing, and I'm very enthusiastic person. But when it's come to speak in front of live audience, I got little nervous, and that's all about myself.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, Anjali. Next is Ankit. Ankit. Yes, Ankit. Ankita Mishra. Ankita Mishra. Arjun Chauhan. Ashu. Atul Kaushik. Atul, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself, Atul.
Ma'am, my name is Atul. I'm pass out from St. Mary's School, Faridabad.
Okay, St. Mary's, that is in Batola.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you residing in Batola or nearby?
Nearby, Batul.
Okay.
Nearby MDPS.
Okay. Okay, Ashu. What is your hobby, Ashu? Atul, sorry, Atul. Atul, what is your hobby, beta?
Ma'am, traveling.
Okay. Next is Chandan. Yes, Chandan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Chandan. Your name is very nice, right? So tell me about your name, something about your name. What is in your name? Do you know what?
मैम ये तो नहीं पता
like?
कभी सुन
Do you know what Chandan does in our life? Do you know why Chandan is so famous?
मैम यस जो माथे पे मैम
Yes,
जो माथे पे लगाते हैं
yes, very good. Chandan mathe
मंदिरों में
yes, yes, yes. It gives fragrance also. और कहते हैं इससे दिमाग बहुत ठंडा रहता है. So yes, okay. Tell me about yourself, Chandan.
एडर्नल ग्लैंड को मैम रिलीज कर देता है ये
Yes, what are you
मैम
saying?
माय नेम इज चंदन पंडित आई
Yes.
चंदन पंडित
Okay, Chandan.
I passed out my 12th from I passed out my 12th from Tinu Public School, Delhi.
Okay.
My hobby is playing cricket, traveling, and making new friends and
Oh,
all.
okay, okay, Chandan. Thank you. Next is Chirag Atri. Yes, Chirag.
Good morning, ma'am. My name
Good
is
morning.
Raghavi,
Yes.
and I complete my 12th class from Vidyaniketan School, and I am pursuing my BBA from Ashland Institute of Technology.
Okay.
And my father is a lawyer by profession, and yeah, and I am from the stream commerce,
Okay.
and my
So,
hobbies is to reading books.
oh, okay, 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 Chirag. Okay, Chirag. Thank you. So, okay, next moving to Durgesh. Yes, Durgesh. Yes, Durgesh. Tell me about yourself.
आज जूम पे लगी है.
Yes, Durgesh.
कई बच्चे तो बोल ही नहीं रहे इंट्रोडक्शन लेने में.
Yes, Gautam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Myself, Gautam Pawar. I passed out my
Yes. Yes,
my
Gautam.
hobby is my hobby is drawing and playing sports games.
Okay. So, Gautam, you have a drawing hand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Next is Himanshu Panchal. Yes, Himanshu.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Myself, Himanshu Panchal. I passed out my 12th from government school, and right now I am pursuing my BBA from Echelon Institute of Faridabad.
Okay. So, what is your hobby, Himanshu?
Ma'am, my hobby is sketching and photography.
Catching photography, right? So, where you photographed? आपने कहाँ की फोटोग्राफ ली है?
Ma'am, buildings में.
कोई ऐसा स्पेशल इवेंट है जब आपने अपने घर में कोई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके पूरा फोटोग्राफी सेशन करा हो?
मैम ऐसा तो नहीं किया, पर हॉबी है.
ओके, फाइन.
Okay.
Just wait a minute, class. Okay. Next is your Aditya and Himesh. Himesh is the first boy who has joined my class. Yes, Himesh. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Himesh.
Ma'am, my name is Himesh Badana.
Okay.
I live in Anandpur, Faridabad.
Okay.
I had completed my schooling from Saint BML Senior Secondary School.
Okay, where it is?
Where it is?
Okay, Himesh. So, Himesh, what do you do in your free time?
स्कूल का नाम
हम
बताया उसने तो
कुश्ती
मैंने पूछ वेयर इज
मैं
इट
प्लेइंग
तो कह रहा है
कुश्ती
वेयर इज इट
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Himesh.
इट ये कहाँ है
Okay. Next is your. Yes, Jatin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Jatin. Tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Jatin Chaudhary. I have passed 12th from Sant Nirankari School, Faridabad.
Okay.
आवाज आ रही है मैम आपको?
Yes, beta.
हाँ जी मैम.
Yes. Okay. Tell me more about yourself. What are your hobbies and what you like most to do in your free time? Yes, Jatin.
मैम, I have कॉमर्स थी मैम 12th में मेरे पास. अब मैम रेसलिंग करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते, कुश्ती खेलते हैं मैम. आई एम फ्रॉम
Okay.
सेक्टर 16 दौलताबाद.
Okay, okay, okay. So have you played some national level or state level? What?
अभी तक मैम स्टेट पे ही है मैम.
Okay, okay. All the best for your future, beta.
हाँ जी मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Yes, next is welcome Lalit Kumar Das. Yes, Lalit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Lalit Kumar Das from BBA. I passed my 12th class in from Kurumla Public School. My hobby is listening.
Yes. Yes, Lalit.
My name is Lalit Kumar Das from BBA.
Okay.
I passed my 12th class from Kurumla Public School. My hobby is listening song.
Okay. Do you like singing too?
No, ma'am, only listening song.
Only listening song. Okay. Thank you, Lalit.
Thank you.
Yes. Next is Mehul. Yes, Mehul. Good morning.
My name, I am Mehul Chand
Okay.
from Sierpur, Faridabad. I am completed my class 12 from Doon Bharti Public School.
From Doon Bharti Public School. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And presently I am pursuing my BBA from Ashton Institute of Technology.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about your hobby,
Yes.
beta. Whenever you are giving your intro, you must tell your hobby so that we can know more
Yes,
about you. Yes. Tell me about your hobby, beta.
I love to know about automotives.
Okay.
Mm,
You have a
Like
technical
car or
mind.
bike. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, moving ahead to Mohini. Yes, Mohini. Introduce yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Moin Soni and I am a student of BBA. I did my schooling from Vidya Mandir Public School. So right now I am pursuing my BBA from Echelon Institute of Technology. And my hobbies is playing badminton and traveling. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Rohit Chaudhary.
Yes, Rohit. Yes, just wait. Mohini. Yes, Neetu. Yes, Neetu. Neetu. Niharika. Niharika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Niharika, tell me the meaning of your name.
Ma'am, it's a group of stars present in the galaxy.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about your name, about yourself.
My name is Niharika. I have
Yes.
passed my class 12 from VM Senior Secondary School and now I am pursuing my BBA from Ashton Institute of Technology, Faridabad. And if I am talking about my hobbies, then I love to do dancing, singing, and traveling.
Okay, so Niharika, which is your favorite song?
Ma'am, I love to listen sad songs mainly. So my
Okay.
most favorite song is an old song, and that is "है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा."
So please, can we have the pleasure? Can
Right
you
now,
sing? Yeah, can you sing one line for us?
okay.
Okay,
है
just one.
प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वही के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ।
Very nice, Niharika. Thank you. Yes, next,
Thank you so
Nikita.
much, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Myself Nikita, and I have completed my 12th from Agarwal Public School.
Okay. Okay, sorry, Nikita. Just wait. Yes, Nikita. Start.
Myself Nikita Sharma, and I have completed my 12th from Agarwal Public School, and right now I am pursuing my BBA from Echelon Institute of Technology, Faridabad, and my hobbies are to dance and traveling.
Traveling. So where you traveled till now? What are the places you had visited?
ऐसे ज्यादा तो नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा हाँ आगरा दिल्ली साइड में तो मैं घूमी हूँ मैम, इतना तो।
Okay.
इससे ज्यादा अभी आगे नहीं गई।
Okay, thank you. Yes, next is Nitish.
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
good morning.
I'm Nitish Sharma
Yes.
from Delhi.
Okay.